Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in at Icloud. Com from your Android browser. Enter your Apple ID and password, then approve the two-factor prompt on a trusted device or SMS code. Once done, switch the browser to desktop site so the full iCloud web app loads. Make sure you keep both devices nearby in case Apple sends a verification code. This is the first actionable step because the official iCloud app isn't available on Android. Web access is the only reliable route. Once signed in, navigate to the specific iCloud app you need. For photos, select images and use the download button. The browser will deliver a zip if multiple files are chosen. For iCloud Drive, open folders and download individual files or multiple selections. For contacts, select all and export a vCard. Once downloaded, you can import that VCF into your Google account. Make sure to allow storage permissions when the browser requests them, so downloads save to your Android device. To finish, open your Downloads folder, unzip archives with a file manager, then move photos to DSIM or upload them to Google Photos for automatic device access. Import the vCard into Google Contacts via Contacts. Google, Com, and import any calendar. Ix into Google Calendar. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, toggle desktop site off and on, or try a different browser. As one quick troubleshooting tip, if two-factor codes aren't arriving, use the didn't get a code option and choose send SMS or use a trusted device to generate the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.